Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
It is the Lord who preserves fidelity forever, who does justice to those who are oppressed. It is He who gives bread to the hungry, the Lord who sets prisoners free.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
The Lord who opens the eyes of the blind, the Lord who raises up those who are bowed down. It is the Lord who loves the just, the Lord who protects the stranger.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
The Lord upholds the orphan and the widow, but throws the path of the wicked. The Lord who reigns forever, the God of Zion from age to age.
Blessed are the poor